Page 4, Unit 1. A group I belong to. A. Listen and read.
Hi, I'm Nico, and I'm 8 years old. I'm a Boy Scout. My cousin Ella is a Scout. My sisters are Scouts too. They aren't Boy Scouts, they're Girl Scouts. We do different things, but we have lots of fun. My friends are Boy Scouts too. This isn't our yard. This is Mr. Howe's yard. He's old. We're young. We help him. Scouts go places together. This is our camp. The cookies are yummy. We aren't hungry now. We are happy. I'm not tired. Let's play a game. Are you a Scout? You can join us. You are always welcome in the Scouts.